Hello, my name is Francesca Scopetti, and I'm taking this course as a prerequisite for dental school. I live in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, just a stone throw away to Charleston downtown. I've lived here for over a year now. I've applied to the UNE's dental school and am in the process of waiting to hear back. I had my interview already with them and feeling very good about it. Um, I am a UNE alumni. I went to UNE for dental hygiene. I've been a dental hygienist for the past 6 years, and this is my last prerequisite to finish my Bachelor's of Science degree to have all the prerequisites for dental school. Some things about me: I play in a soccer league here in South Carolina. It's nice. I can play all year round because of the good weather. I enjoy the beach and I enjoy doing art. I do mostly charcoal. I do draw, but charcoal would be my favorite thing that I do. I enjoy reading psychological thrillers. My top one in the past year was Lock Every Door, and I'm currently working on If You Tell. So those are some things about me. I'm very excited to do this course and am intrigued to meet some others and watch your videos. Thanks.